For 45 years, Automatic Ice Systems has been a leader in the development of high-capacity packaged ice manufacturing solutions throughout North, Central, and South America, Europe, the Middle East, and even Australia and Asia. Automatic Ice Systems is dedicated to forging long-lasting, individualized, client-driven relationships with packaged ice producers. AIS's years of experience help to improve our customers' manufacturing options, not just now, but into the future, envisioning planned expansions, growing markets, and any other changes to the industry that may arise. AIS works to understand our clients' goals and develop custom solutions to deliver the best possible results. Our engineering team develops building designs, system models, and equipment layout drawings while delivering complete plumbing, electrical, and refrigeration engineering. This detailed engineering results in faster equipment installations while virtually eliminating unforeseen issues during the installation process. All AIS ice conveying and processing solutions are custom engineered for each individual project. The conveyor assemblies are built to yield the most reliable ice processing solutions with minimum damage to the ice. Each custom solution includes all required hoppers, transitions, and adjustable support stands to ensure fast and productive equipment installations. When you trust AIS with your equipment investments, you receive truly integrated solutions. Automatic Ice Systems are engineered to function as one unified machine, controlled by a single master control system. All equipment components are controlled and monitored through an automatic ice control system to optimize performance and reliability. In addition, these systems can be linked via the internet to our engineering and service department. This remote access allows our technical team to quickly diagnose problems at your facility and offer more complete solutions for any disruptions from anywhere in the world. The remote access capabilities also allow you to monitor your facility from your home or office. We integrate the industry's most reliable packaging equipment with our exclusive automatic ice palletizing systems. Our semi-automatic SA2 palletizing system only requires one operator to monitor the system and change pallets as needed. These cost-effective solutions are a perfect fit for medium-sized producers. For higher capacity platforms, our fully automatic A1 palletizing systems deliver the highest level of operational productivity. These unique palletizing systems are fully integrated with custom-engineered pallet handling and stretch wrapping platforms. A single technician can operate up to 3 packaging lines operating simultaneously. The equipment does all the work and even delivers finished pallets to the freezer. Automatic Ice Systems maintains our commitment to being green-friendly. Our palletizing systems allow the stacking of small bags without the use of baled bags, cardboard boxes, or any other secondary packaging, often cutting the amount of plastic used in half. Our proven solutions are engineered for faster, easier installs. Every detail is considered during the engineering process. In addition, our detailed project engineering enables your local electrical, piping, and plumbing contractors to perform faster, more complete service installations with fewer delays or added costs. Once all system equipment is properly installed, an AIS startup team will terminate control wiring, perform operational tests, get the system running, optimize operations, and properly train your team. Our commitment to your company's operational success extends through our long-term manufacturing partnerships with industry-leading companies like Coalza, Keith, Lear, Mathiasen, Hamer, Turbo, Vilter, BAC, and Vogt. AIS also invests in cutting-edge technology like AirData's Air Ranger products, envisioning a future without the need for in-person inventory monitoring at retail locations. At AIS, we keep our clients running smoothly with one of the industry's largest inventories of equipment parts, backed by an experienced support team. This team seeks to better understand your operational problems and offer more complete solutions to keep your company running smoothly. AIS's online store continues to grow, and this convenient resource allows you to order parts and supplies 24/7. When you choose to partner with Automatic Ice Systems for your ice industry needs, you are choosing a long-term relationship focused on the growth and success of your company. AIS have grown a lot in 45 years, but our focus has been and always will be to bring greater success to the clients. Innovation, knowledge, experience to deliver different, smarter, and better ice industry solutions.